Hey guys, how are you doing? Once again, welcome back to my channel Chef Nirajan. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing masala creamy cheese pasta. So here it is. This is quite an easy recipe to follow and it's come out absolutely creamy and beautiful with that cheesy creamy sauce coating all the pasta completely. So guys, if you enjoy watching my video, then do give it thumbs up, share the recipe with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel. So let's get on the recipe. To prepare this creamy cheese pasta, first of all boil the pasta. So here I have put to boil 2 liters of water for about 2 cups of pasta. While it's boiling, I'm going to add in some salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. As soon as it starts to boil, we'll add in pasta and mix it. So very important things you need to keep in mind is that you need to add the salt at this point only. Then only it will absorb the taste of the salt. Otherwise, if you forget to add salt in the pasta here, and then your pasta will become a little bent. So keep that things in mind. This is tortellini pasta, which is very easily available in the market. If you want, you can use any other shape of pasta of your choice. Water has been boiled here, so I'm adding pasta in here now. Let it boil for about 7 to 8 minutes or until it's cooked through up to 90%. That means it should still have some resistance, so let it boil over medium flame only. So it's been almost 7 minutes now. Just remove one pasta and show you this is how it looks, and I will just cut this and show you it's from a slight whitening on top. You can see this is the perfect time to remove the pasta. That means this is almost done but not well done, and that will cook it further in the creamy cheese sauce. Now I'm going to strain the pasta and sprinkle some oil over it. Once that is done, I'm going to keep it aside and let it strain further. Today I'm going to add some seasonable vegetable, this asparagus, red pepper and broccoli. If you like this vegetable, you can use same, and if you don't like, you can simply skip this vegetable and add of your choice of your handy. Next, I'm going to boiling vegetable, that asparagus and broccoli. It's just 2 to 3 minutes in boiling water. Add some salt here. Once it cooked through about 50%, just strain and put it in cold water. This cold water will save this vegetable for discolor. And next, time to prepare some condiments here. That is some chopped red onion, chopped garlic, and some spring onion small pieces. Then about 2 pieces of medium tomato chopped. Let's begin the cooking. In the heated pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium flame. If you want, you can also use some olive oil or butter instant. Once oil is heated, I'm going to add 2 pieces of dry chili, and without any delay add garlic, which is finely chopped, and let it fry for about 30 to 40 seconds or until its rawness goes away. Once that Garlic is nicely fried. Next, I'm going to add a finely chopped onion and let it also cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until slightly transparent. Let's remove the vegetable from cold water and keep it along with boiled pasta. Then I am adding chopped tomato, but you can simply use tomato puree as well. Cook that for about 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. It will enhance color of our pasta to golden brown. Then I am adding red pepper and again saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's slightly soft. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of curry masala powder. It will enhance the flavor of pasta to next level. I'm adding here a small piece of butter and about 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Gently saute it for about a minute. At this stage, I'm going to add about 1/3 cup of cream. Mix that as well and let it come to good boil. Under the cream is nicely incorporated with the base sauce. Adding about half teaspoon of black pepper here. Now I am adding boiled veggies and pasta and toss it really well with sauce 2 to 3 minutes or until it gets nice coating with sauce and the pasta is fully cooked. Add salt to taste. Adding some crushed chili. If you don't like hot or spicy, you can simply skip it. Next, I'm going to add shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese and a spring onion. Then gently toss it in low to medium flame until cheese is nicely incorporated with the pasta. Finally, sprinkle lemon juice. And guys, you can see this lovely, creamy, cheesy, spicy Chef Nirajan style tortellini pasta is ready. You can serve it hot and garnish with some herbs and cheese on top if you wish. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe today. If yes, do try this easy recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Chef Nirajan for more and more such easy recipe. It's me Nirajan signing off. Bye bye. See you on next recipe.